I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Max Purple strategy in Jump Showdown. This unique approach is the only truly consistent way to secure victory. It involves mastering precise movements and understanding the game's mechanics to an exceptional degree. By following these steps, you will significantly increase your chances of being the last bean standing, earning that coveted crown. Your starting position is crucial. Immediately move to the absolute center of the main platform. This central safe zone provides the maximum possible reaction time to both the upper and lower rotating bars. Staying within a small, 1-foot diameter circle here minimizes the need for large, risky movements, allowing you to focus solely on your jumps. Resist the urge to chase other players or move to the edges. The key to Max Purple is precise, minimal jumping. For the lower bar, a small, well-timed jump lifting your bean approximately 1 foot is all that is required. Avoid diving as it can lead to overshooting or falling. As the upper bar approaches, simply walk under it if possible, or make a tiny hop of just a few inches if it's too low. Focus on a consistent rhythm, reacting to the bars rather not anticipating too far ahead. To consistently achieve Max Purple victories, unwavering focus is paramount. Block out all distractions from other players. Their mistakes are not yours to make. Your only concern should be your bean's position and the bar's movements. Regular practice will ingrain the precise timing and minimal movements into your muscle memory, making this strategy second nature. With dedication, you will master Jump Showdown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.